On this tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Snapchat content and names not visible. So first way is you have to go to the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps, go to Snapchat, click on force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go back to the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode right here, enable it for 10 seconds and disable it. That's the second way. The third way and the last one is very simple. Just go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it, because sometimes the problem is just from the update. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.